Man?
He's in his camper. I got all shy then, it's been a while. He's in his camper getting changed.
Vlogging, yeah.
How you feeling?
Oh, dude, feeling okay. Just not sure what to expect. Try on Thursday riding, but like only a few models, like 15 minutes. Yeah, and then decide to come here. So hope it's I can handle. Still weak a little bit.
Well done, very good. Can we get a photo?
Yeah.
The Russian, #1 baby! Take a photo. Beverly! Take another one. And broken. Yes. Silly.
Racing bike.
Yes. Thank you very much, thank you. Appreciate it. Good next motor, yeah? Get out that gate and go, baby! Come on, the Russian! Come on!
Thank you, mate.
How you feeling, Bob?
Alright, getting drier.
Yeah, it's so different. Very different.
Oh yeah, compared to the morning, yeah, it was wet in the morning. Need to get a good line. But I have to go look at the sighting now.
Check.
Oh yeah, quick run on my bike at the Foxhills today. So yeah, I'm running. First of all, I'll start with the tire, Michelin MS3 medium soft, so which is good for this track. Lots of grip, and because today we have track is really glued, so we need to get a proper grip. And then Doma pipe, power stuff.
Custom Doma pipe.
Custom, yeah. I'm running shorter front pipe. Probably last year I was using the long one, now it's a shorter one for a better bottom. Pro packs, this is really important for me to stay on the bike, sharp and nice. This stuff from Enjoy, boys doing a great job, lots of grip. This is also important for the when you get out of the corner, when you go in the power. Yeah, and then what else? Many people been asking me why I'm using the clutch lever load and front brake.
Bobby, do you want this for your dogs and cake?
Oh, keep it on. It's just for my position. It's like I feel more comfortable in the corner when it's low, and this is high for braking. When I'm standing into the corner like that, it's higher, it's better for me. And yeah, I run the handlebar also on the hardpack load and on a sand.
What handlebar is it?
RFX handlebar. I think it's 9. Oh, I don't know, mate. I don't know the number. RFX handlebar. Yeah, and then this is stuff WP from modified standard one from Wilfred. So proper stuff. Like I'm happy with the bike. Like I feel comfortable. Really important on each track. You know, hard pack, sand, in the muddy conditions. So yeah, what else? Yeah, Prox carbon using for to save the engine. Yeah, that's it. Short run on my bike, boys.
Cake.
Second member of the Cab Strange Crescent squad there as well.
I see. You come off in, you were like, I was like, oh, good style.
Yeah, but you see me other corners. Like I was just.
You were quite quick, like you were catching through in like the valley, and like you did have like 4 seconds on your ear, and then you'd get there and it'd be like a lot more. So,
My army. Okay.
Third place, ladies and gentlemen, riding for PA Aachens, fueled by Stebbins Car Superstore, it is our great friend Evgeny Bobryshev. Oops, sorry, number 3. Number 3, that's it, sorry, my fault. Second, and Dave, thanks for coming, safe journey home. We look forward to seeing you at the next round here of the British Championship.
So Bobby returned back to the British Championship this weekend. How have you found it?
Good, like it's always good to be back. It's just unfortunately I have done my injury, 3 weeks ago, which is I have done all my preparation, and I was upset, but now I'm back and yeah, like coming to this weekend, I don't know what to expect. Obviously, finishing third, it's I cannot ask more, Now it's just time to get back on my fitness program and get my shoulders stronger, and then come back ready with a good flow. Yeah.
Good day.
Oh yeah, it's really good day. Finishing third overall, it's good because I don't know what to expect coming here. I have done only an hour of riding since my injury, which was like 4 weeks ago, and now third on the podium. It's great, it's good. So now I need to just get back in my fitness program and then get my shoulder stronger, because it's still weak last 10 minutes, and then I can come back in the shape what I was before my injury. Thank you everyone for watching, for following me. We keep doing more vlogs, coming races. So at the moment I will get a little break, and then it's gonna be new vlogs of my life, what I'm doing, what I love to do. So just subscribe and see you on YouTube.